In this video, I'll show you how to make fresh spring rolls from scratch, light, flavorful, and easy to prepare. Stick around until the end for my special dipping sauce recipe that pairs perfectly with the rolls. You won't want to miss it. I have prepared some shrimp, spinach, avocado, some red bell peppers, and some chives. You'll also need a wet towel and a plate with warm water to dip the rice papers inside. Once you've soaked the rice paper until it's transparent, place it on the wet towel and start arranging the vegetables and shrimp to your liking. First, fold the ends in, then fold the longer side of the roll, gently pressing to keep the ingredients inside. Be careful not to overfill the rolls as they might tear and will be harder to eat if they're too large. Now let's make the dipping sauce. You'll need 4 ingredients: soy sauce, maple syrup, creamy peanut butter, and garlic. I don't measure the ingredients, but if you want to keep it lower in calories, you can use 2 tablespoons each of peanut butter and maple syrup and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and water. Based on the ingredients shown in this video, each spring roll is around 100 calories, and the sauce is about 300 calories. Enjoy!